So welcome to O'Reilly Maths. This is the 12th video in the series of algebra misconceptions. So the question reads, which of the following is equivalent to x over 2 plus x over 3? So we have four possible answers: 2x over 5, x squared over 5, 5x over 6 and 2x over 6. So if you'd like to pause the video and try this question now. Okay, so I'm going to do this question in two slightly different ways. So the first way, I'm going to rewrite the question here: x over 2 plus x over 3. Okay, so one way you could do this would be if you treat this like the addition of fractions, number fractions. We follow the steps of finding the common denominator, the lowest common denominator. So what's the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3? So that would be 6. So you can change the denominator to 6 and you can say, okay, how many 2's are in 6? Well, that's 3, so I multiply the top of this by 3. 3 times x is 3x. And then if we go over here and we say how many 3's are in 6, the answer is 2, so I'll multiply the numerator here by 2. 2 by x is 2x. And that gives me then on top 3x plus 2x, which is 5x over 6. So we can see from this that our answer is actually C. The other way that you could approach it is if you have x over 2 plus x over 3. Well, you're allowed, with any fraction, you can multiply the top, the numerator, and the bottom, the denominator, by the same number, and you will still have an equivalent fraction. So if I decide to multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by the denominator of the other one, so if I multiply above and below this by 3, so the top by 3 and the bottom by 3, that fraction then becomes 3x over 6. And over here I can multiply the top and the bottom of this fraction by the denominator over here by 2. So I times this by 2 and times this by 2. I'm allowed to do this because it's an equivalent fraction. So that will give me 2x over 6. And now I have 3x over 6 plus 2x over 6. So when the denominators are the same, I can just add the numerators. So 3x plus 2x is 5x over 6, which is still the answer C.